Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Today we're working on this Husqvarna 6.7 EXI. You've seen this on my channel. The last time was about 3 months ago. We had a belt problem and we have that belt problem again today. But this is going to be a quick video. Now this is a reminder, this guy cuts commercially. In other words, he uses this thing on 40 to 50 lawns a week, every week. We live in Florida. So he is not a homeowner that keeps having the same issue. He busts his butt all week with this thing, every week. And when you use a tool commercially that wasn't built for commercial use, you're going to tear it up. So anyway, today's problem is real simple. We have, this is your bail cable here, your bail lever. This is what you push down in order to start it, and you let it up to stop it. And our cable is stretched. It's not moving. If you look right here, hopefully you can see that. Right here, this lever right here is attached, and when you pull that bail, it should come this direction, and it's barely moving. Let me see if I can show that on camera. See, it's not barely moving at all. And he said he sometimes has to reach down there and pull it to get it to come on. So what I'm going to try and attempt to do first is take a pair of needle nose pliers right here. This is a lever. This is an L-shaped arm that this cable fits through. The first thing I'm going to do is take this and bend it out, away. And hopefully that gives us enough play. Now this cable probably should be replaced. We replaced the drive cable, the one that makes it go forward and back, last time. And this time he's having issues with this. He's got another new machine, and his words this morning were, Kelly, I have 2 lawns I have to do today, and that's it. So he just wants it back together. So let me see if I can bend that out real quick. Let's see if we get our movement back. All right, so let me just see if I can sort of get that in camera and show you that when you have this issue, if you're trying to save the money and not purchase a new cable, you should be able to just get on there, twist that arm. It was facing in towards the motor. Now I have it facing out just a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can get it to go a little bit more. And now let's see if we have our bail back. It's moving more than it was, but in my opinion it's still not moving enough. It really has quite a bit of movement capability. This lever can go way over here, but that should take care of the problem. Let's see if it'll start. I haven't done anything but take out the block that I had holding it up so you guys can get an angle on it with the camera. Let's just see if it'll pull hard enough now for it to start. It should. Okay, so now we've given it enough that it starts and stops correctly. So if you're having an issue where your machine won't start and you can't figure out why, you can always check the movement on your bail cable. Sometimes you can make an adjustment like that, and believe me, you won't hurt a thing. All you're doing is allowing it to pull away so that it doesn't remove your spark. That's all that is a ground. When you let it go, it closes in and touches and makes a ground and takes your spark away. So adjusting that little lever doesn't change anything, except it allows you more movement on your cable. The other thing I could have done was take the cable out of the little L-shaped lever, put a couple of washers there, put the cable back in, and that would have made it go out even farther. But it seems to be okay now, and he just wants to get through the day. It'll probably last a few more months. If it were you working at home, it would probably last you another year. But again, he uses this thing 20, 30, 40 times a week. So for him, we got an adjustment going on. You can adjust your cable. Thanks for stopping by. The next video is going to be, the belt came off again. I explained to him why. You'll see it in the next video. We're going to put that back on. See if we can get him through the day.